Hi guys! Here's what I'm opening. I'm opening my birthday present of 2013.
Hello!
1, 2, 3. It's a bit of a surprise, what is it? But we'll start with this big thing. So, first package. Alright. A bit of a struggle. The tape is strong. Here we go, I can see it! Oh, more packaging! Yay! Oh, wow!
That doesn't look big enough.
Office bag!
Oh, yeah.
I don't know, oh, we'll see. So it's got like all these random sort of leathery things. Like Christmas! So, second package. Oop! Let's see. I'm struggling to open it, Jen. Actually, you've already opened it earlier.
LOL!
Here we go!
Can you hold still, please? That's pretty cool.
£70.
Alright.
You can have an inkling of what this box might be in it!
Action.
So you guys ready? Slow unboxing. Dun-dun, dun-dun. Come on, I can't wait to get it.
Why don't you get scissors?
Use bare hands to open it. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. Oh.
I need to kick this.
Get out, model.
How are you meant to?
Can you just check if you can see me? Hello. I'm undressing the sexy box. This sexy box is so shiny. Oh dear. It's going.
OMG, OMG, OMG!
Mac Pro. The box is here, guys.
Okay.
We are such geeks, I love it.
You know what?
Guys, say hello to the video, by the way.
I'm a camera woman.
He's waving at the camera. Right, here we go. Oh dear, it's a bit tight.
Oh crap, I need to go on the next key.
Yay!
That's big.
Wash your hands, wash your hands.
I've seriously washed my hands 3 times already.
Right.
Oh my gosh.
There we go. Oh my! I can't deal with this.
Can't cope.
Can't cope at all. It's too much. Guys, it's so skinny.
Wow, I've seen it in real.
Okay, so here's what the rest of the box comes with.
Does it not come with stickers?
Oh, it comes with stickers.
I'll have it.
You can have it now.
Why not?
You have your own from your own MacBook. And from your iPhone, and from your iPod Touch, and from your iPod. Apple freak. So
There's a weighing scale. You have to weigh how heavy it is.
oh, do we have a weighing scale?
No, it broke.
It's broken.
Can I feel? It's heavier than mine.
Apparently it's heavier than her MacBook. Shall we test on your case, guys? So guys, have a look. Oh, it fits perfectly. Oh, that's unbelievable. So, shall I turn it on now?
Duh.
Oh, guys. Oh, it's even got those thingies.
Wait till it plays that song.
Jen, you can have this one if you want.
No thanks. It's taking ages.
Gosh, it's not working.
Ooh! Exciting.
Ooh!
That's all. Setting up your Mac.
It's gonna take a while.
Deutsch als Standardsprache verwenden?
To use English for the
Voice
message,
of
press the return key.
Tagalog.
Hey, we haven't got
It's
that.
talking.
Are you sure
If you know how to use voice,
Guys, it's talking.
press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac.
It's connecting. Yes, it's working now.
Straight to the waste, we fall into the river.
Can you see my face? Dear me. Can you see my face now?
Didn't even do anything.
My
Just
face.
went, dear me.
Can you see my face?
No.